Bathroom shower. Design ideas for 2025. Get ready to elevate your bathroom with the hottest shower designs of 2025. In 2025, shower design is being reimagined with innovation, sustainability, and luxury at its core. Whether you're planning a full-scale bathroom renovation or just looking for some inspiration to give your shower a quick refresh, this video has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and discover the most stunning shower designs 2025 that will make your friends green with envy. 1. Seamless curbless bathroom showers. The curbless or walk-in shower design is gaining even more traction in 2025 for its sleek, barrier-free aesthetic. Not only do they create a visually open space, but they are also incredibly practical for all age groups. Without steps or thresholds, these showers offer a modern look that seamlessly integrates with the rest of the bathroom flooring. This minimalistic approach emphasizes clean lines, creating an expansive feel even in small bathrooms. Plus, they are future-proof, a major bonus for homeowners considering long-term use or resale value. 2. Dual showerheads and wet zones. Luxury in 2025 means not having to share. Dual showerheads, both fixed and handheld, are now a common upgrade in shared master bathrooms. These setups provide comfort, efficiency, and flexibility, especially when paired with body jets and ceiling-mounted rain showers. Wet zones, where the shower and tub are placed in a shared, waterproofed area, are also growing in popularity. These open, glass-enclosed spaces streamline the bathroom layout and create a cohesive look that feels both indulgent and modern. 3. Frameless glass bathroom showers and open concepts. The frameless glass shower enclosure trend continues strong into 2025. These designs enhance the sense of space and light in any bathroom, providing a seamless, modern look. They are also easier to clean and maintain than traditional framed shower doors. In some cases, designers are even eliminating enclosures entirely and opting for open-plan wet rooms. With proper drainage and waterproofing, these open layouts bathroom look sleek and function efficiently, especially in minimalist or industrial-style interiors. 4. Personalized niches and built-ins bathroom shower. Customization is key in 2025, with built-in storage options tailored to personal routines. Shower niches are becoming more creative and practical, not just simple recesses for shampoo bottles, but multi-level LED-lit features that blend seamlessly into the wall design. Some are hidden behind sliding panels or accented with unique tile work. Benches and footrests are also getting design upgrades, offering built-in comfort while maintaining the overall clean aesthetic of the shower. 5. Digital bathroom shower. Technology continues to transform the way we experience our homes, and the shower is no exception. In 2025, digital shower systems are standard in high-end designs. These systems allow you to control water temperature, pressure, lighting, and even music through voice commands or apps. Some models include features like personalized profiles, so each family member can enjoy a shower tailored to their preferences. Motion sensors for touchless operation and eco-friendly settings are also becoming more common, marrying convenience with sustainability. 6. Natural and organic bathroom shower materials. Bringing the outside in is a major theme in 2025. Showers with natural stone, pebbled floors, reclaimed wood accents, and greenery are dominating bathroom designs. These elements not only offer a grounded, spa-like atmosphere, but also contribute to a sense of wellness and calm. Earthy tones and textures bring warmth into what can otherwise be a cold and sterile environment. The use of untreated or lightly treated wood, such as teak or cedar, adds a touch of luxury while maintaining functionality, thanks to their resistance to moisture. 7. Bold colors bathroom shower tiles. While neutrals are still popular, 2025 is seeing a bold resurgence in expressive tile choices. Graphic patterns, colorful mosaics, and unexpected textures are being used to add visual intrigue. Designers are mixing tile shapes like hexagons, scallops, and fish scales in unique layouts to create stunning focal walls or entire shower enclosures. High-contrast grout, metallic accents, and 3D tile textures are also trending, offering dynamic and personalized aesthetics. The tile isn't just a backdrop anymore, it's a form of art. 8. Ambient lighting shower design. Lighting in the shower area is evolving from purely functional to deeply atmospheric. In 2025, designers are incorporating layered lighting with dimmable LEDs, recessed fixtures, and even color-changing lights to reflect different moods and times of day. Backlit mirrors and niches add sophistication while improving visibility. Chromotherapy, the use of colored lighting to enhance mood, is finding its way into high-end showers, giving homeowners the option to enjoy a calming blue glow in the evening or energizing white light in the morning. 9. Water-saving showerheads. Sustainability is a major theme in home design, and the shower is no exception. Water-saving showerheads with high pressure, timers to monitor water usage, and gray water recycling systems are being integrated into modern showers. Smart controls help regulate energy use, while eco-friendly building materials such as bamboo, recycled glass tiles, and low VOC sealants ensure that beauty doesn't come at the environment's expense. As more homeowners prioritize green living, these features are becoming essential rather than optional. 10. Statement shower fixtures and finishes. Fixtures are no longer just practical elements. They're becoming statement pieces. In 2025, finishes like matte black, brushed gold, and antique bronze are trending, providing contrast and character. Sleek, sculptural faucet designs and waterfall shower heads contribute to the luxurious experience. Matching these details with towel bars, hardware, and lighting fixtures can create a cohesive and curated look that speaks to individual style. As bathrooms continue evolving into personal retreats, 2025's shower designs prove that functionality and beauty can coexist effortlessly. With a focus on wellness, technology, and artistry, these trends are creating spaces that elevate the everyday routine into something truly rejuvenating. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or a small upgrade, embracing even one of these ideas can transform your shower into a highlight of your home.